Hey guys, what's going on? In today's vending video, I'm gonna teach you how to dispense gumballs with a U-turn vending machine. This is gonna be a part of my U-turn vending tutorial. I'll leave a description for it down below. And before this video gets started, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button to help me reach my goal of 500 subs. And so you don't miss out on new videos every other Saturday. Now, let's get back to the video. First things first, you're gonna need this gumball tumbler assembly. I'll show you where to get it, but if we look at this schematic here, it's pretty complicated, so I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. If we take a look at it in person, this is what it looks like. Now if we head over to Amazon, if we just search for U-turn vending machine gumball tumbler, we can see that this part that we're looking for shows up. And here it is right here. And if we click on it, we can see in all the pictures that this is the exact same schematic and the same exact piece that I showed you in that paper earlier. When we click on see all buying options, we can see that you can get them for $14.99 plus $4.50 for shipping in brand new condition, which is a really great deal so you can dispense gumballs on your machine. So the first thing you need to do with the machine is take off the lid, so I'm gonna do that right now. Once you have the lid off, you want to take off the canister that you want to dispense the gumballs with. For this, I'll just take this top one so it's easier to see. If we look at the back side of the container, we can see that there are 4 screws, and we need to unscrew all 4 of these to start. Once all the screws are removed, we need to take out the candy tumbler. Now you can do this just by simply dumping it out like this, or if you want to, you can do it a little bit more nice and just take it out with your hands. Whichever way you do it, we won't be needing the pieces to the candy tumbler anymore, so you can just set these to the side and save them for later. Now that we have a completely empty canister, we can bring in all of our parts to set up the gumball tumbler. Once we put it all together, this is what it's going to look like inside of the tumbler, and you can see that we have 3 main pieces here. We have the tumbler cover here, we have the spacer disc, and finally we have the tumbler wheel. Now we're going to take the spacer disc and place it inside the canister so that the opening in the spacer disc fits right around the opening in the canister, just like this. Next, we will take the tumbler wheel and simply set it inside of the canister. Finally, we will take our tumbler cover and put it inside the canister on top of the other 2 pieces and make sure that these notches line up with the notches inside of the canister. Sometimes this step can be difficult and you might have to bend the springs a little bit to get it to fit just right. Now we have our entire gumball tumbler assembled, and all we need to do is screw the screws back in. Once all the screws are in place, we can set the canister back on the machine and it's ready to go. We just have to fill it with some gumballs to test it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video or this helped you in any way, be sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to help me reach my 500 subscriber goal. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out my channel for other videos just like this one.